Hello YouTube, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Share Knowledge video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to enable Group Policy Editor in Windows 10 Home. Group Policy Management is a feature reserved for the professional, enterprise and education editions of Windows. As you may have noticed, Windows 10 Home does not come with Group Policy Editor automatically enabled. But using the code, we are able to enable Group Policy Editor. Whether you are on Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or Windows 10 Home, you can enable the Group Policy Editor using this method. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video and subscribe channel. Let's see how to enable Group Policy Editor. Open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus S, then type CMD in the search box. From the search results, you will see command prompt. Right click on it and then select Run as Administrator. It will open a command prompt window. In the command prompt window, type this command and hit enter. You can copy and paste this command from the description box below. It will install the Group Policy Editor within a few minutes on your home editions of Windows 10. Once complete the installation, type exit and hit enter to close the window. Now try to open Group Policy Editor. Open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. Then type Gpedit.msc into the dialog box and hit enter to open Group Policy Editor. We are done. If you cannot find, don't worry. Then restart your PC. After the restart, you should be able to access Group Policy Editor without any issues. Okay, that's it. I hope this video helped for you. Thanks for watching and supporting. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Your contribution is more confidence. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you next video. Bye. Take care.